Howdy everybody, how y'all doing today? I want to say welcome back to my channel if you're coming back and watching another video, and welcome to my channel if you're a new subscriber or viewer. It's good to have you here, and I thank you for coming. Today is Thursday, April the 16th, 2020, and today's giveaway day for the Garage Flips mug, so y'all stay tuned to see who wins that. I already did my shipping today and pulled the winner for that. Y'all see all that here in a second. I did have 4 sales yesterday though I want to go over. So the first thing we sold, you'll see it up here, it's this vintage Dare line watch. It didn't work, it needs a battery, and for this we got $34.12 plus shipping. The next thing is this Jurassic World dino figure, and they don't make them like that anymore, I guess. So we got $31.46 for him. His batteries are dead as well, plus shipping. The next thing we sold is a lot of these 2 pill cutters. We got $11.96 free shipping. And then finally we sold the last one of them Lee Max power cords for Christmas Village, I think. Something like that. We got $20.62 plus shipping on that. But let's jump into today's sales and let's pick that mug winner. So y'all stay tuned. Alrighty, so the first thing we got to pull today is some beard growth serum, and I believe it's in this barrel's where I seen it. Yep, right here. This bottle sold for $13.66 plus international shipping. It's going to Germany, I believe. So we'll set that right there. The next order we had, I done pulled them. It's all these RCA Select Division video discs. There's a big lot of them. Y'all can see them there. And they were over there in that cabinet, so I moved them over to here. And them things are heavy. They sold for $29.75 plus medium mail shipping. So I just used this little chair as a dolly. Next thing it sold is a cassette tape. I believe it's this one. It's a Bishop Jeff Banks and Revival Temple Mass Choir. And for this we got $9.09 plus shipping. It's new sealed. Next thing we sold is an eyelash kit, another one of these. Right here. And this sold on eBay this time. And for this we got $13.65 plus shipping. It's just a eyelash perm kit. The thing we sold is a paper shredder. It's a little handheld one. Right here. This is from 2002, and for this we got $10.46 plus shipping. Sold another LuLaRoe piece. Let's see. We're looking for A21. Maybe this one. Yep, right here. This is a LuLaRoe not iCarly. That's on Nickelodeon.
It's a Carly dress.
Carly dress, and this sold for $12.54. Nope, $12.59 plus shipping. Alright, next time we sold a book. It's this Lauren Blakely. It's a collection all in one. And for this, we ended up getting $12.59 plus shipping. Next thing we sold is a vintage Woods outdoor timer. And I think it's already packed up. Let's see. I think this is it right here. Pretty sure it is. Let's see if I can read that right. No idea. I'm gonna open it up and we'll see. Alright, so it was it. We opened it up. The packaging is damaged and yellowed real bad. But we sold this and we ended up getting $6.87 plus shipping. Alright, we had a sale on Poshmark. Let me see if I can get this open. Alright. These are just a bunch of Nemo little figures. Like there's the turtle. There's that blue fish.
The story.
There's that clownfish. Just a lot of them. I think there's 13 of them. We got $15 plus shipping on them on Poshmark. Alrighty, everybody, we got everything packed up. Now we're gonna get ready to do this drawing for this mug, and we're gonna do it all in one shoot. So, here's the mug. Lord, I hope I don't break it. We'll set it right there. And let's see. We need let me get where y'all can see it. Random YouTube comment picker. Maybe this one. Yep. Okay, so we gotta go to YouTube, your channel. Here's the video. We'll take this link. That's a pretty big accomplishment, I think. Copy. And I want to do something to say thank you to every one of you watching. You people. Let's see. Close. Paste. Filter duplicate users. This one. And filter comments based on specific text. Mug. MUG. Get YouTube comments. There's 19 unique commenters. So let's scroll down. So good luck to y'all, and I'll be sending this out to whoever wins it. Reach out to me in my email. It's going to be linked down below, and we'll send it out as soon as you get in contact with me. So here we go. Robert Krinick. I don't know if I'm pronouncing your last name right or wrong. If I am, I apologize. But you're the winner. Get in contact with me, and my email is going to be linked in the video description, just like right. So when you click on my video, let's see, where's the description? Right
there. Show more.
Where? Oh, right here. So you can find my email right here. Okay? Just send me an email with that, and I'll have you do something to verify that it is you, and then we'll get it out to you. So, Robert Krinick. Congratulations, and send me an email. Your comment says, Colton, I enjoy your videos, informative and entertaining. The mug would be a nice bonus. Well, it's a bonus. It's coming to you, so I appreciate all y'all that entered. And yeah, thank y'all. Alrighty, Robert. I want to congratulate you on winning the mug. Thanks everybody for watching my videos. And thanks Robert for entering, and everybody else. It means a lot to me, and hopefully you enjoy it as I have and can put it to use. But hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all get outside and spend some time with your loved ones while this quarantine's going on. Don't be looking all doom and gloom, because it ain't. Look, I'm a grateful man. We're gonna see you guys and gals tomorrow. Y'all take care.
This is fun. Can you push me up high?
You wanna see if you can get that camera? Hold on. Woo. Woo.
It's very fun at the same time.
Wave at him, tell him bye.